In this video, we are going to see how the widget layers work and their types. While each widget offers different functionality, they are all rendered as a set of layers on top of one another. Constituent layers define the appearance of the widget. Flint allows users to customize the widget by adding or editing the layers. Now let us see how to customize a simple label widget by adding an image and border layer. Simply drag and drop the labels widget into the design view. Layers can be added and deleted from the layers defined option. To add a new layer to any widget, it is necessary to set the style of the widget to custom. Now, click on the layers defined option under the widget properties. There are 4 different types of layers supported. Fill color. The fill color layer type is used to fill the layer with a single solid color. Image. The image layer is used to add an image to the layer. Border color. The border color layer is to set the colored border. Text. The text layer is used to add text to the layer. Users can choose text color, font type and text spacing based on their requirements. This widget has 2 layers. The first layer is the background color, and the second layer is the text. Now to add a new layer, simply choose layer type from the drop-down list and provide layer ID and description. Here we choose the image and border color layer types. Click on OK. Now the image and border color layers are added to the widget. A user can add the required image to the image layer. The thickness and color of the border can be customized by the user. And now, we can see that the widget is now rendered with an image and border color layers. Each layer of widget has a set of properties that define its visual appearance on the screen. Users can find the properties of layer under Advanced option. Let's begin with margins. Margin defines the space between the content of the widget and the widget boundaries. In Flint, the user can use this option to align the top, left, right, and bottom distance between the widget content and the widget's boundaries. Users can adjust the size and position of the widget layer under the Dimensions section. Flint supports fill, fixed and wrap mode for the width and height of the widget. Assume we are going to place a small image in a large widget. Setting the fill mode will tile the image as many times needed to cover the whole area. Border color and text layer types supports only filled mode. In fixed mode, a user can set the width and height as well as the position of the layer. It only fills the widget's layer to the specified size and position. Fill color and image layer types supports fixed mode. In wrap mode, the image is wrapped to its original size. Only image layer type supports wrap mode. Image layer supports rotation and clipping on images. The image can be rotated either clockwise or counterclockwise at a specified angle. The speedometer needle is a good example of a rotating image. Now, let's drag and drop a dial widget. Set the direction and map the data information under Advanced properties. Customize the widget image and properties as required. Now a user must set the following. First is the pivot value, which is a point where the image will be placed and rotated in the widget area. Then, the center value, which is the axis of the rotating image, that is the needle. Next, set the start and end angle for the image to be rotated. Now just export the project and simulate it. The speedometer needle will rotate in accordance with the values. Next is the radial clipping, inside and outside. A radial clipping option allows a user to specify a specific region of an image to display, with the rest being clipped or masked. In radial clipping inside, the image region between the start angle and current angle will be clipped. The rest of the image region, that is, between the current angle and the end angle of the image will be shown. In radial clipping outside, the current angle and the end angle of the image region will be clipped, and the start and the current angle of the image will be shown. Let's take the example of a tachometer. Here we are using a circular progress bar widget to design it. Now customize the widget image and properties as required. Now a user must set the pivot and center. Next, set the start and end angle for the image to be clipped. Now export the project and simulate it. According to the values, the tachometer image will be displayed. To learn more, sample Flint projects are now available on Ambion's website. Users can download it for free. The link is provided in the description box. Watch our other tutorials to know more about Flint. Thank you.